What is the fastest way to make yourself feel happy? How can you create happiness in yourself in an instant? It's actually possible. It's actually really easy, but most people don't talk about this. Most people don't even think about this, and they never use it or apply it because it seems so easy that it shouldn't work. It's almost too simple of a solution for anyone to consider to actually improve their mood, to improve the way that they're feeling, to improve their state of being. And the way is actually just helping someone else. Now, at first, when I heard this, and I used to, have bad moods and not be in good state, just feeling negative early on in my journey, I thought, how does helping someone else make me feel better? If I'm feeling bad, I don't want to help someone else. I need help. I need someone to help me because I'm not in a good mood right now. I'm not feeling well. And so I really need someone to look out for me, not for me to go help other people. I'm feeling empty. How can I give when I don't feel good? And here's the thing. Actually, when you give, you fill up. When you share, when you help and support someone else, you're helping yourself. It's the most selfish thing. Not really selfish, but it is selfish in a way that you can do. Because when you help someone else, what happens is, as human beings were wired this way through evolution, you release some of the best chemicals, hormones in your brain. The little neurons are firing off, telling your body that, hey, get into great state, because clearly we must be in a good state because we're sharing, we're helping somebody else. That means that we're overflowing with energy. And all of a sudden, you're getting a rush of good emotions. You're feeling incredible. Your state goes up very, very quickly. And it really wasn't that difficult. I mean, it could be as simple as volunteering to help with someone else's projects, or to help people that are less fortunate, or to just give a little bit of money to charity, or to help out with the dishes, with your significant other, or at home, or wherever you might live. It might just be to listen to someone, sit there, be there for them. Someone that's had a difficult day, maybe someone at your office. Really just take the time to care for someone else. And notice how your mood is quickly lifting. It's really, really strange. It's a phenomenon to a lot of people. The first time that you try it, you almost don't believe it. You're like, this is a fluke. Try it again, it works again. Now you're hooked. You're helping everyone. You're helping people every day. You're adding value to society, and people are recognizing you for it, and they want to help you. And now you're going into an upward spiral, because guess what? It's the law of reciprocity. When you give to other people, they want to give to you. And the more you give, the more they want to give back. And if they don't give back, they'll feel terrible, until eventually they'll give back because they can't take it anymore. So, although it might seem counterintuitive, giving and sharing and helping other people is by far the number one way for you to boost your mood, increase the way and improve the way that you feel, and really just raise your overall self-confidence and self-esteem. Your job then becomes to write down maybe 3 people that you can help today, and one thing that you can do for each of those people, or just one person in 3 different ways. Either way, just make a plan and stick to it. Go execute on it, because oftentimes we'll feel that resistance, like, I don't really want to do this. I'd just rather watch a movie. And then you get lost. You never try it, you never get the incredible benefits, and you stay stuck in your head. Or you can execute, go out there and try it and see how incredible it makes you feel. Yes, you're going to feel some resistance. Yes, you might feel uncomfortable, especially if you're, in a bad mood and you're not feeling so great yourself at the time. It's going to be a little bit difficult initially, but you'll get over that and you'll get into it. And before you know it, you're like, wow, it's like I'm a different person now. Because that upwards momentum that starts being created, it starts to spiral into a positive upwards loop very, very quickly. You're reinforcing that you're a good person, you're helping people, your self-image is changing, they're then helping you, which means people like you, right? And you're firing off all these signals to your brain, just improving your mood more and more and more and more. And before you know it, it shifts into a almost permanent state where you're just constantly in the habit of serving. Again, it doesn't sound cool. It probably sounds kind of annoying or weird, and You might have that resistance. Maybe you actually love it, which is great. Go for it. That means you're probably already headed into that direction anyway. But if you're feeling that, I don't want to do this, or like, I don't really know about this advice, is it really going to work? Try it. Just try it for one day. And come tell me in the comments if it didn't make you feel any better, because 99% of the time it works. And if you didn't feel any better, usually it's because you did it with that intention of, I'm just gonna do it because whatever, let me see, it's not gonna work, But if you really give it a wholehearted try and attempt, and you really go out of your way to really make someone else's day a little bit brighter, I promise you, it'll light up your mood. And this has been proven by science. If you listen to the Dalai Lama speak, you're gonna hear the same thing. All the top spiritual leaders, all the top scientists in the area of neuroscience are gonna tell you the same thing. So why not give it a shot? Why not try the stuff that actually works instead of bashing your head against the wall again, thinking, why don't I feel good? Of course you don't feel good, because you're centered on you. You're centered on how you feel. It's all about me, and I'm not happy, and I need help, and right? And I know that's kind of cruel, but it's the truth. It's how our little naggy voice in there sounds a lot of the time. And if you wanted to shut up, do this. Go out of your way. Go help some people. Make a list. Just write down a couple. Go into notes right now on your phone if you're watching this on your phone, or write it in your book, just put it on paper, put it in your notes so that you actually have a real game plan, and then go and execute on it. Do it today. If it's too late today, you're about to go to sleep as you're watching this, well, then do it tomorrow. Either way, make it happen, and don't let yourself reason or weasel your way out of it. Because there's going to be that story about, what if it doesn't help? They might not really like this. Is it really any good? Just try it. Just try it, please. I want you to have a better experience in your life. That's what I'm here for. To improve the way that you live. To help you have a better, more fulfilling life. To help you live your dream, ultimately. Because I got to live mine. And I want to share that with you. And I want you to have some of that experience enter your life. If it hasn't already, or if it already has, then please some more of it. Because it's some of the best, most delicious, spiritual, and fulfilling source of happiness that you can have. So go out of your way. Go help some people and see how happy you feel after that.